महेश्वराय नित्याय शुद्धाय दिगंबराय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय। ओम अंजनी गर्भासन्मुखं वायुपुत्रो महाबलं कुमारो ब्रह्मचारी च हनुमान मे प्रसिद्ध मे। ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम। प्रेम से बड़े श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। सीताराम 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 सीताराम। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय श्री राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय जय राम। श्री राम ओ सीताराम 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 सीताराम। श्री राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय जय राम। श्री राम सीताराम 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 सीताराम। श्री राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय जय राम। श्री राम बजरंगा बली ओ बजरंगा बली बजरंगा बली हनुमंता। बजरंगा बली ओ बजरंगा बली बजरंगा बली बजरंगा बली ओ बजरंगा बली बजरंगा बली बजरंगा बली हनुमंता। प्रेम से बोले श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की। Children of God, may you put your hands together now, close the physical eyes, as we do Ramayana Sumiran. Om Jehi Sumirat Jehi Sumirat Siddha रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। So devotees and friends, I take the katha from where I leave the last day, and the last doha, I will take the last doha that we read last week, and I'll start from there, and then we'll continue with this wonderful katha. Remember, last week we have reached where Hanumanji and the rest of the monkeys, they were now eaten away in that Sugriv garden. And so when Sugriv heard that, he was very pleased, because he knew that they would not eat really if they did not get through and get news. And they have reached now to Bhagwan Sri Ram, and where Bhagwan Sri Ram embraced each and every one of these monkeys who was there out doing service. And this is a big lesson for all of us, my dear friends. Any one of us who becomes a servant of the Lord, He will embrace us all. And this evening Katha is going to reiterate that. So he have asked of Hanumanji, tell me, how is Sita surviving? And this is the answer that we got. Sri Hanumanji spoke, and this is what he said, He says, आपका नाम रत दिन पहर देने वाला है. He said, dear Lord, he says, your name becomes the watchman. The word paharu means watchman, So he says, your name, dear Lord, have become the watchman to Sita for day and night. So the day and the night, your name keep watch over her. Again, Dhyana tumhara kapat. And he says, dear Lord, she keep herself, her dhyan, her thoughts were always there on you. And these thoughts that she keep of you in her heart, acts as a pair of closed doors, so she would not leave, and you cannot leave her eyes. It says, Lochana Nijapad Jantri Jahi Pran Kehi Bhat. It says her eyes, the word Lochan means eyes. It says here that her eyes fastened on her own feet, and her life thus finds no outlet whereby to escape. And this is how she survived. This is how she keep life into her body. By your name, dear Lord, by dhyan upon you, by thinking of you, and by keeping herself grounded. She keep her eyes fastened at her feet. So these are three great principles, devotees and friends, which all of us must try and place into our lives. One, we must be able to maintain and to manage the name of Prabhu. Jai Ram Shri Ram, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Gam Ganapati Namah. All these are the names of the Lord. Om Sri Durga Durgati Rakshani Rakshani Matayi Namah. So my dear friends, the name of the Lord is one method to help and keep us there. Two, you must keep your thoughts dhyan. So what is the use, my dear friends, that you talk, and you don't have what you talk in your heart? So we can say Om Gam Ganapatiye Namaha, Gam Ganapatiye Namaha, Gam Ganapatiye Namaha, Gam Ganapatiye Namaha, and Ganesh Bhagwan not in your heart. then nothing would happen. So devotees and friends, dhyan is very, very essential. And then the third principle, to keep your eyes on your feet, means that you must keep yourself grounded. You must know where you are. You must know your conditions that are around you. You must be always ready for the next move. And these three principles are so very, very important. So he says, dear Lord, he says that when I was leaving Lanka to come back to you, she gave me this jewel, this churamani. It's a nice earpiece. And he says, when Hanumanji gave the Lord this, did Lord take that churamani, my dear friends, that hair, it's something to hold the hair, nice decoration for the hair. And he take it and he pressed it to his bosom, to his heart. Nata jugala lochan bhari bhari. I told you the word lochan means eyes, right? So it says here that he took that, he pressed it to his heart. Raghupati hirde lai soi linhi. So he took it and he pressed it to his heart. Hirde. And so, devotees and friends, it says tears came from his eyes. Tears came from his eyes, my dear friends. And so it says that Hanumanji continued and he says, dear Lord, Janak's daughter uttered the following words, and these are her words that she sent. प्रेम से बोले श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय. Let us listen to the words that she sang. Jai Ram Sita Ram, Jaya Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Ram, Sri Ram Jaya Ram, Avaguna Ekam Ramay Hanam Baru Bachurat Pranena Dina Payanam Jai Ram Sita Ram. नाथ सुनयहि ओ अपराधा निसरत प्राण करहि मति माना जय राम सीता राम जय जय राम वीर भय गिरि अनुकूल वीर अग्नि अनुकूल समीरा श्वास झरहि क्षणमयि शरीरा जय राम सीता नयन रसवहि जुगल निज हसी नयन सहस्र सभहि जुगल निज हसी जय नाम इह फिर हरहि जय राम सीता सीता के यति विपति विसंहारा बिनहि कहे भरि दीन दयाला जय राम जय राम सीता राम जय जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम Praise the Lord Shri Ramchandra Bhagavan ki jai. And so, devotees and friends, Hanumanji continues speaking to the Lord. And he told to her, he says that she sent this message. She sent this message and she said, embrace the feet of my Lord and his younger brother. And tears were flowing from her eyes when she said this. Embrace the feet of my Lord and his younger brother crying, O Hanuman, and let him know that he is the one who gave himself to the distressed. He is a reliever of all those who have distress. Tell him that I am devoted to his feet in thought, word, and in deed. And ask of him, of what offense, my Lord, have you forsaken me? And these were her exact words. She said, and this is what she said. She says, after you embrace him, these are the words I want you to tell to him. The exact words of Sita was, O befriender of the distress, reliever of the suppliants, agony, I am devoted to your feet in thought, word, and in deed. Yet for what offense, my Lord, have you forsaken me? I do admit that I have one fault of mine, and that fault is life did not depart from me when I separated from you. That is the only fault. When I separated from you, my life should have left this body, dear Lord. And that is my only fault. You are like the fire. And so my longing for you is like the fan. It is as a gust of wind, and between stand my body like a heap of cotton, which would have been consumed in an instant. But my eyes is their own interest. My eyes are seeking its own interest. And life is remaining in this body so that I can see, my eyes can see you again. Devotees and friends, these are great poetic words which we must bring back to our lives. Embrace the feet of the Lord. My dear friends, we all have the opportunity to embrace the feet of the Lord in being in satsang. Sometimes we get a little bit complacent. Probably it's COVID, who knows? Probably it's the technology. So that you can sit home now and you're viewing on Pandit Vishnu Live and www.dharam ki Awaaz this evening. And you miss this vibration, which is coming one-to-one from Pandit. Pandit Jai have done the puja. He would have done it one-to-one with you. So devotees and friends, we all have this opportunity to embrace the feet of the Lord. And we must understand, my dear friends, that the Lord will never fail us. Our eyes, my dear friends, instead of having the longing for the feet of the Lord, what our eyes are longing to see, my dear friends, is the material things of the world. So, devotees and friends, has your eyes the interest to see God? Our Katha tells to us, Prabhu Shri Ram tells to us directly, Pratham Bhakti Santana Karasanga, that the very first principle of devotion is to find yourself in satsang. But that is the last thing we plan to do. Because Pandit come in on Pandit Vishnu Live, so I don't want to go. I'll sit down home in the comfort of my couch, Watch him, and so as I finished there, I could watch my TV show and everything else. Principle Shri Ram Chandra Bhagavan Ki Jai. So devotees and friends, our body is like a heap of cotton. And if you don't, your eyes do not have the interest for God, that cotton is going to catch fire. And when you on fire, my dear friends, the only fireman that it have out is when your eyes come back for the longing and your mind come back for that feelings of satsang. Because this whole wide world, my dear friends, with all the money in the world, cannot cool down that fire when it starts. The fire of suffering, the fire of pain. And we just come out of this COVID, you know. We're not out yet, but we out. I consider it we out already. Yes. And the faster our people understand that it is time to take the vaccine, that little piece that remains, we will get out of it, and then we could come back to full capacity. Yeah. Principle Shri Ram Chandra Bhagavan Ki Jai. So devotees and friends, it tells to us here that Sita distress is so overwhelmingly great, and you are so compassionate to the afflicted that it is better not to describe it. Hanumanji says, I do not want to describe her suffering. And so, devotees and friends, he says, each single moment, dear Lord, this is Hanumanji speaking, each single moment, O fountain of mercy, that is how he is describing Sri Ram, O fountain of mercy, pass like an age to her. When we are without the Lord, my dear friends, for 1 minute or two, you feel like as years pass by. And where are you going to find the Lord when you can perform seva? But it tells to us, Prathama Bhakti Santana Kara Sangha, that the very first principle of devotion is to find yourself in satsang, not to sit down behind your couch in your house. Principle Shri Ram Chandra Bhagavan Ki Jai. So devotees and friends, so therefore, dear Lord, this is Hanumanji speaking, therefore march quickly, my Lord, and vanquishing the miscreant crew, by your mighty arm recover her. What Hanumanji is telling to us, Hanumanji, the self-realized being, who is talking about? You think he's talking about Sita in Lanka? No. He's talking about our minds. The Sita in Lanka, my dear friends, is our minds captured by the ego. I, mine, you, yours. Principle Shinam Chandra Bhagwan ki. This is the Ravan that captures us. When we are grabbing at the worldly things, that is the Ravan. Ravan is not no 10-headed monster out there. Ravan is the greed. Ravan is the anger. Ravan is the ego. This is mine. And so devotees and friends, he's telling to him, he says, dear Lord, please go now and recover her. Let us listen to a few wonderful lines again before I close this evening's katha. What is the time now, please? Huh? 10 past 7? I'll do 10 minutes again. Jai Ram Sita Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama, Jai Rama Jai Rama, Mara Mara Prabhu Jai Chandra Bhagavan ki Jai. So devotees and friends, When that all blissful Lord heard Hanumanji's story, and he understand the agony of Sita Ma, tears again rushed to his eyes. And my dear friends, he told to Hanumanji, he said, do you think anyone who depends upon me in thought, word, and in deed can ever in a dream be surrounded with adversity? So my dear friends, immediately he told Hanumanji, I am going. And my dear friends, Sita or Vedvati had to go through this because Hanuman could have bring her back, Hanuman could have brought her back. But Jambavant made sure he told to Hanuman, he said, no, you only have to bring back words of where Sita is. Because Prabhu Sri Ram himself have to go and get her. You all remember that katha where Prabhu Hariji had given Narad that monkey face, and Narad told to him, you will have to come into this world and suffer the pains of the separation of your wife. And you give me a monkey face, so monkeys will have to help you get her back. And so, my dear friends, this Sita is the mind. This Sita is not the Shakti. This Sita Shakti is with Agindevta. And that arrangement was made in Aranyakand. We will go back there pretty soon. This arrangement was made in Aranyakand, where not even Lakshman knew of that arrangement, where the Lord, my dear friends, made that arrangement with Agindevta for Sita to remain with him until he returned from the forest. The Chaya Sita, who is the Vedvati, came out and went with Prabhu Sri Ram, and that is the mind. Devotees and friends, who is that, when come for the Noratam, you all will be hearing about that Vedvati and how she came to be the Sita. Prem Shri Ram Chandra Bhagavan ki. And so she went there, my dear friends. That is your mind. The Sita, the Shakti, is at the base of your spine waiting for you to behave yourself properly, to come and give you her energy and her blessings. But how are you going to get her blessings? The word is yajna, sacrifice. And you too, devotees and friends, must make a sacrifice. There is a group of devotees who would lock their business, forego profits, to reach to their prayer session. That is sacrifice. That is yajna. Our people, if we come from work and we feel slightly bit tired, are not going to the satsang, but to come in live. Where the sacrifice is. Prem Shri Ram Chandra Bhagavan ki jai. Prem Shri Ram Chandra Bhagavan ki jai. Devotees and friends, remember, once you make those sacrifices, the Lord will never allow you to fall. These are the words of Hanumanji now. When Prabhu Shri Ram says, do you think anyone who depends upon me in thought, word and deed can even dream of adversity? And Hanumanji said, there is no misfortune, dear Lord, other than one ceasing to remember and adore you. Of what account are the demons to you? There is no misfortune other than ceasing to remember and adore the Lord. Every time you forget God, my dear friends, you bring misfortune upon yourself. And how often do we do that? Very often. When we have all the waste talk and everything taking place, taking precedent upon talking about God. That, my dear friends, you're forgetting God. When you bring hate in your heart and you're ready to quarrel, my dear friends, that is forgetting God. Those are the demons' quality. Of what account are the demons to you? Routing the enemy, you will surely bring back Janak's daughter. So it's saying, my dear friends, we have lost our mind to the ego. And hardly any one of us, my dear friends, ain't lost our mind yet, I too probably lost a part of mine. When I was saying my children. Whether I say my children good, whether I say they're good, my wife, my group, my people, all that is Rawan, Simple that. That is why, my dear friends, I must try my best and continue to address you all children of God, not my devotees. Because you are all children of God, devotees of God, not devotees of mine. I am just a servant of God, doing his job to you and everyone. And devotees and friends, it tells to us again. He says, no one endowed with a form or a body, be he God, human being, or a sage. And this is Prabhu Shri Ram speaking now. Prabhu Shri Ram is speaking to Hanuman, and he tells him, he says, Hanuman, no one endowed with a body, a form, be he God, human being, or a sage, has put me under such obligation, Hanuman, as you have done. What obligation Hanumanji put the Lord in? He worked for the Lord and he bring the, So devotees and friends, all the Lord wants us to do is to access those who have lost their minds in the world. Because most of us have lost our mind in the work. Satsang should be first priority. But because we lost in the world, it becomes the last. He said, then how can I repay you, O Hanuman? Listen, my son, I have thought over the question and concluded this debt which I owe you cannot be repaid. Again and again, as the protector of the gods gazed on Hanuman, his eye filled with tears, and his body was overpowered with a thrill of emotion. Let us listen to the last verse as Hanumanji sent it to us. Prabhu Shri Ram. He says, "Oh Hanuman, how can I repay you? I think about this and everything else, and I believe that this is a debt that I can never repay." Hanumanji, my dear friends, did not push his chest forward. Hanumanji did not push his chest forward and say, "Yes, Lord," you know. No, he didn't do that. "I am this, I am your servant, I'm a good boy." No, he didn't do that. My dear friends, it says, Hanumanji listened to the words of the Lord and he gazed at the Lord. It says that experience of the thrill of joy came all over the body and fell, Hanumanji fell at the feet of the Lord, overwhelmed with love, and he was crying. What was his words? Charana Parehu Prema Kul. With that amount of love, he's at the feet of the Lord and he's saying, "Trahi, Trahi Bhagavan, Trahi, Trahi Bhagavan, Trahi, Trahi Bhagavan." What the word Trahi means? Trahi means to save. So he's saying, "Oh Lord, please save me. Oh Lord, please save me." But the Lord just tell you that he can't repay Hanuman. So what Hanuman want now that he's saying, "Lord, save me, save me"? What trouble Hanuman in? My dear friends, a lot of us, when we get too little commendations, the ego blow real big. So Hanumanji was frightened that was going to happen. So he started to pray to God and he said, "Lord, please save me so that this will never happen. So that the ego will not inflate with me and destroy the merit of the good deeds that I do." My dear friends, the moment you do a good and you get, and it's nice to appreciate people when they do something. But when you get that appraisal, my dear friends, that good appraisal, that is when you have to be even more humble. Otherwise, you lose all the benefits of that good act which you do. Devotees and friends, when we are of service, that service must be as quiet as it can be. If it is only the person you do service for and you are alone and God knows that best, that is the best. Because this is what Hanumanji was saying, "Save me, save me, save me from this." Prem se Bole Shri Ram Chandra Bhagavan ki jai. Can we sing a bhajan and then we do Havan? Sing a bhajan.
Hari Narayana
ki jai. Pawana Putra Hanuman ki. So now we'll have Havan, and then Arti. Pandit will lead us in the Arti. So just do the Havan there and then come back. Put on me harmonium down there first. Put your mic for Jai. Bhagavan ki Jai.
Om Agimile Prohitam Yajyasya Deva Vritvajam Bhotaram Ratnadatamam Sri Aganaye Nama Atmana Gange Chayamne Chaiva Guravari Sindhur Kaveri Jalasmin Shanidhim Kuru Om Yani Kani Chapapani Janmantara Kritani Chatani Tani Vanishyanti Pradakshana Prade Prade Om Om Prajapati Namah Swaha Somaye Namah Swaha Indraye Namah Swaha Brihaspati Namah Swaha Sri Guru Charan Kamalbhyo Namah Swaha Om Namo Narayanaya Swaha Om Sri Kesavaye Namah Swaha Om Sri Madhavaye Namah Swaha Om Sri Brahmaye Namah Swaha Om Bhu Swaha Om Bhuva Swaha Om Swa Swaha Om Maha Swaha Om Janah Swaha Om Tapah Swam Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhyayona Prachodaya Swaha Om Tatpurushara Vidmahe Mahadevaya Dhimahi Tanno Rudra Prachodaya Swaha Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namah Swaha Rangrave Namah Swaha Sung Surmaye Namah Swaha Bhau Bhaumaye Namah Swaha Om Bambudhaye Namah Swaha Om Gumpurave Namah Swaha Om Shan Shukraye Namah Swaha Om Shan Shanishcharaye Namah Swaha Om Rangrahave Namah Swaha Dhumraketu Namah Swaha Om Aim Bhim Hanumate Shri Ramadutaye 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 Namah Swaha. Okay, come. Okay. Next. Om Aim Bhim Hanumate Shri Ramadutaye Namah Swaha. 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 Hare Baba. Om Aim Bhim Hanumate Shri Ramadutaye Namah Swaha. 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 Om Aim Bhim Hanumate Shri Ramadutaye Namah. ॐ ऐं ह्रीं हनुमते श्रीरामदूताय नमः स्वाहा 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 ॐ ऐं ह्रीं हनुमते श्रीरामदूताय नमः ॐ ऐं ह्रीं हनुमते श्रीरामदूताय नमः ॐ ऐं ह्रीं हनुमते श्रीरामदूताय नमः स्वाहा 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 ऐं ह्रीं हनुमते श्रीरामदूताय नमः ॐ ऐं ह्रीं हनुमते श्रीरामदूताय नमः ॐ ऐं ह्रीं हनुमते श्रीरामदूताय नमः स्वाहा 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 ऐं ह्रीं हनुमते श्रीरामदूताय नमः ॐ ऐं ह्रीं हनुमते श्रीरामदूताय नमः ॐ ऐं ह्रीं हनुमते श्रीरामदूताय नमः स्वाहा 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 ऐं ह्रीं हनुमते श्रीरामदूताय नमः ॐ ऐं ह्रीं हनुमते श्रीरामदूताय नमः ॐ ऐं ह्रीं हनुमते श्रीरामदूताय नमः स्वाहा 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 ॐ अंजनिर्भर संयुक्तं वायुपुत्रा महाबलं कुमारहस्तं च श्रीहनुमते प्रतिगृहताम् ॐ मन्दाकिन्यश्वरवारे सर्वपापहरं शुभं तदिदं कल्पितं देवं सम्यगराचननीयाचनन्तरं समर्पयामि नमः ॐ वनस्पते सूर्यभूतगन्धयुगन्धोत्तमः सर्वदेवनं धूपोऽयं प्रतिगृहतं श्रीहनुमते नमः। हनुमान की जय।
प्रेम से बोले श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय, गणेश भगवान की जय। So devotees and friends, we have two wonderful family, and we have Sabrina from St. Mary's Moruga will be joining us in the Ganesh Puja for the year. So Sabrina, please come up and she had called me yesterday and said she's ready. And they probably must let everybody see your face a little bit so they will miss you. So this is Sabrina. Right. I'll give you the instructions of the devotion. This is the commitment, right? Some kind of a already. All right. So, Prem se bole Sri Ganesha Bhagwan ki jai. You keep that. That is not one to dissolve. Right. Very well. And I don't know his name, but Munesh neighbor from over the road, Videsh and his family will be taking the murti. But Videsh, this evening I only have one murti, so the three of you will come up and collect it. Tomorrow you will get the other two, okay? Because I don't want to leave little boy out of the murti too, you know? I want you to take it. All right. So the rest we'll get tomorrow. Prem se bole Sri Ganesha Bhagwan ki. So devotees and friends, you see how great Ganesh Bhagwan is. I have averaged for 40. And I said we will have 40 devotees doing the Vrat this year. We have reached about, I think, 44 or 45, somewhere around there. So, how wonderful, you know. It means that the Ganesh devotion is doing what it have to do. And this is the reason why we continue to have this. So our next Ganesh Puja, or first Ganesh Puja for 2021, 2022 will be on Sunday the 24th of October at 5:30 p.m. So we'll finish on time to send home everybody too. And we wish everybody to be here on site. We will make place for you. And we will have enough distancing and everything for you to set your baby to do this first puja, just as how we did the last puja on the Visarjan morning. So don't worry, Sabrina, we'll let you know. Huh? Deborah from Florida, we will get you your murti before the 24th of October, Deborah. Oh, yes, we have 2 people from Florida going with us this year. Cecilia Maraj is continuing with us for a second year. And we have Deborah taking it up from this year. You know, Deborah, I have initiated them in the V devotion and everything else when I used to be regular in Florida, but this pandemic had me a little bit out of Florida. I'm missing it too. Prem se bole Shri Ram Chandra Bhagwan ki jai. So we have 2 people from Florida joining us. Those will go online. The rest of the devotees from Trinidad, make sure and be here on the 24th. My dear friends, continuing, Pitri Paksh will finish at 7:04 a.m. on Wednesday the 6th of October. 7:04 a.m. So it means Navratri starts at 7:05 a.m. on the 6th. So we will start our devotion here on the evening of the 6th. We will start our devotion on the evening of the 6th, and we will have the Dasmi Vijay, which is the burning of the coconuts and so on Friday the 15th of October. Every evening, puja will be conducted here. If you cannot remain for the reading thereafter, Between Pandit Jai and myself, we will make arrangement to be here. You know, I will go by Pandit Jai one of these days and we will sit down and we'll look at both diaries. And we will, because you see, Naratam is time we have puja too to do it. So we'll have to work it out between Pandit Jai and I. But we will make sure that one of us is here to ensure that you come here and do your puja. No puja doing online. We're doing reading online. So everybody come here and you will do your Durga Puja. Right, and those who would want to take the lead in the puja, because we will be doing a main Bedi Puja every day, you will please contact us soon. Otherwise, I will start putting people on different days. We cannot be, my dear friends, half-hearted devotees. We have to be full, because let me tell you, I remember how many years ago I tell you, and this came from the scriptures, that the time is getting more difficult. And you will see bigger and bigger groups of people dying. Because, my dear friends, the cycle have to come to an end soon. It might not be in our cycle, but it's coming. And all these souls that are going back may not get a chance to come back to help themselves until an next Kali age come back sometime down the road. Because a lot of these souls ain't live no life to come back in the first 3 age. All of them coming back in the last age. But to come back, you will come back. But my dear friends, this is why you have life now. Take every minute and pray to God so that you could improve yourself from Kali age and come in one of the earlier age where you can continue to evolve until you become one with God. This is all we're about, to make a better place for ourselves when the next cycle comes. And I'm telling to you, you see all these bulk of souls going up, they may not come back down in another body. And it is going by 2035, it is going to get worse. You know, I was wondering, some people talking so many things. You don't know what will happen by 2035. But it's going. And prayer is the only thing going to help you. So my dear friends, stick to your prayer. And as I said, I am not going to pay when it comes to your devotion. I am not going to give in to nobody. And I will smile and I will put people to do puja if you don't volunteer. Prem se bole Shri Ramchandra Bhagavan ki Jai. My dear friends, following that coming down, so I told you the Ganesh Puja will be on the 24th, Sunday the 24th at 5:30. So reach here for 5 o'clock so that you can set up your, and we have enough sponge. What we have here, I have down home. So Munesh will make sure and get all here. Diwali is on the 4th of November. But on Friday the 29th of October, Friday the 29th of October, we will have our Lakshmi Puja, and we will do a little light up all around by the Hawan place and thing there. We're not going to invite the public because we don't know, we don't believe that it is going to open up. So within the membership and our restriction, we are going to still light and do our Lakshmi Puja. And between myself, no, I ain't sing that day. Pandit Jai, Ravi, Omar, and we will see who we could get a candy, and we will get a few of them to sing through the period for about at least an hour and a half, and we will send all the home. If it is still an hour, we will sing for the hour. Prem se bole Shri Ramchandra Bhagavan ki. And the 4th of November is Diwali. On Friday the 5th of November we are going to do Govardhan Puja right here. So nobody, from now until Diwali, a lot of people they say, oh God, I only had a fast. Well, I want to hear all they say that we only had a pray. Because this is how it's getting more and more for you to do prayer. Let us crack our coconut and then, somebody come and put on this mala there for Hanumanji. This mala is being placed on Hanumanji on behalf of Chris Roll Ramdani, who lives in Canada. And this we pray and we ask that he and his family receive the blessings of Hanumanji. Om Anjani Garbhasana Mukho Vayu Putro Mahabal Kumaro Brahmachari Cha Hanumana Me Prasiddha Me Pavana Putra Hanumana Ki Jai. So you see, we have devotees from Florida, we have devotees from Canada, all wishing they could be here to join us a little bit in between. But we want people who they here staying home to watch it on TV, on their phone. That nice. Prem Sabole Shri Ram Chandra Bhagavan Ki Jai. So Pandit Jai now, coconut. Om Sri Krishna Krishna Sagyai Bhavitya Mamasya Vidyor Pradve Shri Bala Kalipati Saptame Vaivas Manvantar Kalipatam Charane Jambu Dvipe West Indies Kande Arivat Arike Desh Antargati Trinidad Desh Hari Om Sri 56 Mapi Road Chetre Grami Bhautavatari Tarparahi Namo Narayanaye Namo Namaha Om Sri Pavana Putra Hanumana Ki Jai. Pavan Putra Hanumana Ki Jai. And devotees and friends who are viewing us on the live, when we talk about Mandir Dharam Ki Awaj, is right here by Krishna we're talking about that. Prem Sabole Sri Ganesh Bhagwan Ki Jai. Pandit Jai.
Ramaduta Vidmahe Kapirajaya Dhimahi Tanno Hanuman Prachodayam Asya Sri Pratmukh Hanuman Bhagavatamantasya Brahma Rishi Gayatri Chandra Hanuman Devta Ramni Jamam Shakti Tanki Brahma Kavacham Sri Hanumate Namaha Sri Hanumate Sita Rama Radhe Shama Vithala Raghumari
But the joy will lead us in closing prayer. Hold the hands together, close the physical eyes.
Twameva Mata Chapita Twameva Twameva Bandhu Chasika Twameva Twameva Vidya Dravinam Twameva Twameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Asaturma Sargamaya Tamaso Jyotirgamaya Nityo Mayam Ritam Gamaya Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Bol Putar Bhagwan ki jai, Jagapati Bhagwan ki jai, Hanumanta ki jai, Ramadutta Hanumanta ki jai, Ranam Govinda Govinda Har 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 Parvati Pate Har Har Mahadev Kashi Vishwanath ki jai, Sanat Dharma ki jai.
Praise the Lord. Please have your seat. Aarti will come to you. Prasad. And then there's refreshments for all. And then you'll leave for your home. Next week, Tuesday, again, we would like to start to do puja at 5 o'clock. I give until tomorrow evening for somebody to call and volunteer to do puja next week. If not, I will call somebody. When you get the phone call, you just have to say yes.